Healthy Forever presents Best Fats to Eat on a Keto Diet. Here's some fats that are great for you to eat on a keto diet. Fats that you need to have. There are also fats that you will need to limit to make this work. Below is a list of each. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Avocado, a fruit that offers MUFAs, monosaturated fatty acids, which is heart healthy. These fatty acids are super packed with fiber that helps with digestive health. Just a half of an avocado has 16 calories, 15 grams of fat, 7 grams of fiber, which brings the carbs down to 2 net carbs. Also, 9 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein. There are many ways to cook an avocado, so it gives you lots of choices of what to do with it. Olive oil. What most people don't know is that fats like monosaturated fats will actually help to lower your cholesterol, and it helps fill us up. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil has 119 calories, 13.5 grams of fat, but only 2 grams of that is actually from saturated fat, so that is great. Avocado oil. This oil is rich in monosaturated oil, which is an anti-inflammatory, but that's not the biggest benefit of avocado oil. The way it stands up to such high heat, as high as 500 degrees Fahrenheit, well, just 1 tablespoon of avocado oil has 14 grams of fat, 124 calories, and exactly 0 grams of carbs. Nut butter and nuts. Most nuts have lots of unsaturated fats, which is great, but they also have carbs, so you have to be careful. You need to read the labels to know exactly how many carbs you're getting, just like nut butter. Here are some examples. 1 ounce of almonds is equal to 23 nuts, 170 calories, 6 grams of carbs, 3 net carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of fat. 1 tablespoon of almond butter is equal to 98 calories, 3 grams of carbs, 1.5 net carbs, 1.5 grams fiber, 3 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fat. Flaxseed and chia seed. These seeds have omega-3 fatty acids. This helps to optimize your health. Everyone knows that omega-3 and omega-6 helps to lower cholesterol, which is great for heart health. Eating more omega-3 helps with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes because it lowers the risk of insulin resistance. 1 ounce of chia seeds is equal to 138 calories, 10 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of fat. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed equals to 37 calories, 2 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, 2 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat. 4 fats to limit. Cream. The cream is a source of fat, but you need to remember that it is mainly saturated fat, which is not healthy, so use it in extreme moderation. Cheese. Cheese has 4 grams of saturated fat, which means a portion of food to be eaten in moderation and limited. Butter. Butter has 7 grams of saturated fat and can have extremely bad effects on your health, so it can be used in rotation with other unsaturated fats, but extremely limited. Coconut oil. Many people claim this is a perfect keto food, but that's not necessarily true. It has 11 grams of saturated fat, the kind of fat that clogs arteries and causes heart problems. Some sources claim that it's made up of medium-chain triglycerides and that the body metabolizes it much too fast for the body to store it. Putting a touch of it in your coffee should be alright, but I wouldn't ingest more than that. The worst fat of all, trans fat, thankfully, is no longer in food in the USA, so you don't have to be concerned with this fat. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.